हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे होंगे। हियर आई एम एट ब्लॉसम स्कूल्स एंड दिस इज़ द स्टोरी टाइम। लेट्स प्रोसीड विद द महाभारत स्टोरी एंड टुडे इज़ द 11th episode. Those who are new to my channel, please like and share with your friends, and also if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, then do subscribe to my channel. Let's proceed with the Mahabharata story, that is today is the 11th episode. The way of renunciation. Arjun was still confused whether or not to fight. Krishna had laid stress on renunciation of action and yet advised him to follow the path of action. Arjuna wanted to know which of the two was superior. He wanted an explanation in a language simple enough for him to understand. Then Krishna said, "The yoga of knowledge and the yoga of action both lead to supreme bliss, but the yoga of action is superior to the yoga of knowledge. It is also easier to practice. The karma yogi, through selfless action, becomes a sannyasi. The aim of the sannyasi and the karma yogi is the same, and both attain salvation. Karma yogis have the wisdom of the sannyasi and the masters of their senses. They are like a lotus leaf unaffected by its surroundings. Karma yogis always perform selfless deeds which lead to self-purification. They work without caring for the fruits of their actions. Such karma yogis obtain all knowledge and realize that the Atma is free from all action and doing. When they understand that it is Prakriti, that is nature, that works and is the cause of attachment, they give up the illusion that they are doers and come nearer to God and are united with Him. When they reach this stage, they have the same respect for all. But be they wise or unwise, human or beast, their source of happiness in their inner self and not external objects, as they are at peace with themselves. They commit no sin. Such people have no desires or passions, are never angry, and this gives them eternal bliss. They are friendly towards all and look after their welfare. They are the souls of love and compassion and do good to all without expecting anything in return. They are not afraid of anything. Such people attain peace. Thank you. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.